Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off subtitles on LG TV. So first thing is press the settings on the remote. It will be a gear icon to open the quick settings menu. Scroll down to the bottom and just simply select all settings. From there, just simply go for accessibility, and under accessibility, choose subtitles or closed caption depending on your model and set subtitles to off, and this disables caption across all channels and apps. And now, for apps like Netflix, YouTube, or Disney, just simply turn off the subtitle within the application own settings during playback. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, just simply leave a like and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. See ya.